Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to remove your old Facebook account without phone number, email or password. So first of all, launch Facebook application, then go to the search bar and search for your old Facebook account. So search for your old Facebook account like this and then tap on your account. Now once you come to your old Facebook account, tap on the three dots at the right-hand corner. Now from here, tap on the option of Report Profile on top. Now over here, tap on the option of Something Else, although you can see various options here. Now over here, you'll again come across various options. So for now, I'm going to tap on the option of Recover this account. Let's tap on it. With that, you will be led to this page. You can tap on Get a one-time password to log in to Facebook, tap on the drop-down menu, and you'll come across this information given here. If you don't find this helpful, tap on No, and then tap on the second option, that is, the solution doesn't work. Then you have to describe your problem here. So I'm going to type this issue over here. So after typing in my issue, I'm going to tap on Submit, and this in turn will submit my feedback to Facebook. And then in order to delete your old Facebook account without email, phone number or password, you would constantly need to report your old Facebook ID so that Facebook can actually take a step to disable your old Facebook account. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.